Please pay attention for those who did the spunking SDX. All right, so this is how you go about the pre-market. All right, so like they said, for you to be eligible for airdrop, you have to participate on the pre-market trading. That means you must sell and you must buy. All right, so someone must buy your token, and you must also sell your own token. You must buy from others. All right, so this is how it goes. So this is MetaMask. All right, so I've switched my network to BNB, so you can go ahead and click add network, so you can add the BNB if yours is not added. So this is BNB chain. All right, so you go to the app which is here, then you copy the SpunkySD mining app from your browser, copy it and paste it here, then you log in your account. All right, so you click on network, connect your network. Right, so you have to buy BNB, little BNB, like $2 or $1 should be enough. After connecting your wallet, you go and buy whichever package you can buy. So I have just little BNB, so I'm buying 0.002. So that's around, you can see it's $1.12. Right, so I'll just go ahead and confirm the transaction. All right, so I'm buying right. So I've already bought already. Okay, so now I'll be able to sell my own you can see completed. So the package is open for me. That means I can sell up to 5 million token. All right, so you can go through the market and see how much people are actually selling theirs, so that you know what to list. All right, you know how to list yours. All right, so for this video, I just teach you on how you can connect your wallet and also buy your package. All right. All right, so I'm going through the market now. All right, so these are the prices that are available in the market, and they varies. All right, so you just look for the one you can actually afford and try to go for the lowest one. You can see this one is selling 1 million token for about 0.009. Let's see how much is that. That should be around okay, half a dollar, almost half a dollar. All right, so you can buy this. All right, so let me buy this. Like I said, for you to be qualified, you have to first buy a package from outside and also try to sell. All right, so the point has been sold, so I've bought that point already. All right, so let me see my total balance. All right, let me see my total balance. I was having 17 point something million before. I think it should. All right, let me see my total balance. Okay, it's not showing my total balance. All right, and there's even a reduction. Okay, I bought. All right. So let me complete my 1 million trade now. All right, so I can sell 1 million now. 0.00009 for 1 million. 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. So simplify. All right, I've placed mine on the market. You can see it. This is my username, and this is what I currently have in the market. And let's wait for some serious buyer to buy it ASAP. Right, so and I can also sell for I still have about 4 million sellable. So they didn't buy this. Let me see. Let me just hope they buy it as early as possible. So that's all about SpunkySDX Premarket. All right. So let me quickly recap. All you have to do is to get your MetaMask, set up a new wallet. Okay, fund it with at least $2.5 should be enough to cover everything. All right. So you buy the first thing you do, you come here. All right, come to the network section, connect your network. All right, after you connect your network, the next step, you can see all the steps are here. So if you are If you are diligent enough, you can read them. All right, so I bought package. I bought the lowest package with 0.002 BNB. Next thing I did was go down into the market to buy the lowest price that is available on the market. So it depends. You are buying the point, all right? So it's yours. It's not as if you are wasting it. You're not wasting whatever you are. So it's an opportunity to accumulate as much as possible. All right. So after I purchased, I now went online. All right. I went straight to sell now. I placed my price at 0.0009. The same way I bought, I sold the same way again. So all right, so I believe that's all about that, and it's very clear. So once you're able to buy and able to sell, then you are qualified for the airdrop. All right, so that's the criteria they give. Simple.